I know I've been doing a lot of Postbag videos lately, but I'm very eagerly awaiting the arrival of my package of op amps. So every time I've been getting a package in from China, I've been recording a new Postbag video, so I'm probably going to release a bunch of these Postbag videos all in a row. And probably slightly out of order, because I'm probably going to do this one first so that you guys have a warning that I'm doing a bunch of Postbag videos, then I'll release a bunch of the other ones. I don't know. Either way, if there's been a bunch of Postbag videos, this is the reason why. Anyway, so this one's a little baffling. I have a description of contents. Office supplies. Now, I don't recall ordering any office supplies, so I wonder what it is that I've ordered here. Although $8.90, that's a little more expensive than stuff that I normally order. So I've got a cardboard box here with some stuff rattling around in it. Oh, this isn't office supplies. If I can get it out of the box, I will show you what it is. There we go. It's a peristaltic pump, which is completely unrelated to anything I was doing on the channel here. It's actually for the water fountain for the cats, because I'm going to pair this up with a UVC light that I have, so that I can sort of run the cat's water through UVC light to slightly ozonate it and sterilize it so that the water doesn't get as gross. Well, let's go ahead and see how well it works. Or, I mean, see if it even, like, powers up. That's nice and quiet. And it seems to do the thing, because they're, oh yeah, that's, you can see it sucking on my finger there, and then you can hear it pop when I pull off. So basically I'll be figuring out a way to mount this so that it recycles the water in the cat fountain, and sterilizes it by running it past a UVC light. So that's all I've got for this one. So yeah, lots of Postbag videos incoming if I remember to do this one first. And I still haven't gotten my op amps, which is getting kind of frustrating. But, you know, hopefully soon. Anyway, I'm going to skip the outro on this one. It'll be in the other ones. Goodbye.